In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the banner on Squarespace. This guide is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to refresh their Squarespace site's look with some banner customizations. In just about 5 minutes, you'll learn how to seamlessly navigate Squarespace and make your website's banner truly your own. First things first, let's get you logged into Squarespace. Open your browser and head to the Squarespace website. Once there, you'll see a login button usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Squarespace offers a variety of login methods, but for simplicity and ease, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account to access Squarespace. So go ahead and click on your Google account to continue. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. Look for a prompt or a link that takes you to your site. It should be quite straightforward to locate. Once you've found your site, click on it to enter the website management area. Here's where the fun begins. You should be looking for an edit option to start adjusting your banner. This option might be represented as a button or a link depending on the layout of your dashboard. Once you've found it, it's time to click on your site's banner. Squarespace banners can differ from template to template, but generally you'll find it at the top of your homepage. After clicking on your banner, another edit option will appear. This is your gateway to banner customization. Click on it to proceed to the banner settings. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the customization options. Click on Design to access the banner design settings. This is where Squarespace really gives you the freedom to tailor your banner to fit your site's look and feel. You'll be presented with options such as fit, fill, or shape. Each option affects how your banner image is displayed. Fit will make sure the entire image fits within the banner area. Fill will expand your image to cover the entire banner area, possibly cropping some parts of it, and shape will allow you to crop and shape the image manually. Play around with these settings to see which one aligns best with your vision for your site. After you've made your selection and are happy with how your banner looks, don't forget to click on Save. This is a crucial step to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. Adjusting your banner on Squarespace is as simple as that. Remember, experimenting with different designs and settings can really make your website stand out. Don't be afraid to try different banner images and settings until you find the perfect fit for your site. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides on making the most of your Squarespace website.